We will feature more of Sam's toys on tonight's Hobby Life. More than that, however, we will also show those of his daughters who were inspired by their father and have begun their own collections. Here's Kring Lacson.
On the last episode of Hobby Life, we showed you the mecha haven that is Sam Chua's home. Robots line up Sam's shelves and fill his house. Aside from robots, however, Sam also collects toys from the Avengers and Batman line, among others.
Marvel kasi, mahilig kasi ako mag-drawing simula nung bata. So, parang nakaka-inspire lang i-collect yung mga hilig ko na babasa sa comics. Kasi mahilig sa comics, mahilig ko mag-drawing. So, maganda rin meron ng toys, parang ganun. Actually, gusto ko rin si Batman kasi siya medyo close to reality. Yung yaman lang niya, ewan ko lang kung reality. Pero, close to reality, walang power, siya lang. So, mas na-amaze ako sa kanya.
But what could be more awesome than inspiring others to start their own collections? To Sam's glee, his daughters have begun loving toys and are now starting their own collections. The fruits don't fall far from the tree.
Nahilig na rin sila. Actually, kilala nila yung mga robot na naka-display dito. Gustuhan nila nakita nila, ay, ganun pala yung toys. So, bakit si Papa lang ang meron? Parang ganyan. So, natuto rin silang mag-value.
We had the chance to see the kids' collections. They have a whole lot of Hello Kitty and Frozen toys and are nothing short of enthusiastic about their growing collection. Is there anything more adorable than that?
Mga toys namin galing kay Daddy. Then, mga iba, binili na lang.
Anong mga favorite niyong toys?
Ang favorite po lang namin. Frozen! Yan po sasabihin ko.
At, sinong favorite niyong character?
Ako po si Elsa. Ito po makulit na to. Anna! Ang balak namin, nagbibilhin pa rin. Yung mga collect lang, kinakolect. Basta, mga toys lang.
We are going to shift from the mecha to the Sentai line. Was Power Rangers part of your childhood, fellow hobbyists? Then don't forget to watch our next episode. For People's Television, I am Kring Lacson, and this is Hobby Life.